10 minutes of morning movement. Let's get started right away. Trusty chair today. Nice, low impact, easy. Grab your chair. We're just going to get started with some mountain climbers. Go at your pace. If you don't love to exercise, you don't love working out, you're not alone. But it really is a mindset. Can we shift that mindset? Instead of exercise, just being physically active. How can I move my body every day? In these quick morning workouts, we're just trying to boost our mood, increase our energy. We can do that every single day that we show up. If we keep showing up every day, we will build strength, balance, mobility, flexibility, and so much more. Just getting warm. You can pick up the pace if you want. You can just be like this, by all means. Okay, turn your chair around. And we're just gonna step. Get that foot up onto the chair. Brilliant. Swing your arms, full body. I'm reading a brilliant book called How to Winter, and how people in the north really embrace winter and actually love the season. And all it comes down to, there's a few variables, but really, ultimately, it's mindset. We can change the way we look at things so they become enjoyable. And you can certainly do that with movement. Forget exercise. How can we move our bodies so that we feel good? We don't have back pain. We can carry things when we need to. It's just about readiness for the day. How can I just do the things I need to do? Feeling strong, feeling capable. And I truly believe that getting the day started with some 10 minutes of light movement like we're doing is a great way to begin. And hopefully that encourages more movement throughout the day. Okay. Ooh, a little shake. We're going to take a seat in our chair. These exercises, any one of them at any point in the day, just take it on 30 seconds, 1 minute of movement snacks throughout the day. It's going to compound. So if you just feed off just a little bit, engage the core, build some strength in the legs. You can, here, just flutter a bit. Point the toes if you like. Just for a moment. Breathe. It's going to be a little more challenging. Oh, yes. Let's just come up off our chair just a few times. We want good core stability so that we have great balance. If we do live in the north and there's icy conditions, we're much less likely to slip and fall. Just come just a little bit off the chair. Gauge that core. Two more. Yeah. Okay. Come to the edge of your chair. Just a few. Just going to bring legs into the chest. Great core. Strengthening exercise. Building strength in the legs. Oh, two more. Oh, yeah. Oh, feel that on the lower back today. A little stiff. Whew. Let's get a little more movement. To the side. See if you can touch. We're going to go slow and hold it on each leg for just a moment. Let's build some balance. Try to incorporate as many components in each 10-minute workout. Balance, strength, mobility, mindset. It's the key. However old you are, reduce it by 10, 20 years in your mindset. I never act my age. If we think we're 10 years, 15 years younger than we are, and that's how we're going to be. If you don't love exercise, physical activity, change that. No, I have this amazing body. I'm supposed to move it. I want to live as long, as healthfully as possible. I need to find movement throughout my day so I can be my best self. So this wintering book really was, it was just the fact that people who embraced winter had a mindset of it. They just shifted their mindset into loving winter, embracing the dark, the cold, taking on new activities. We can shift our mindset, really, to enjoy anything. It's our choice. Okay, let's shake that out. Let's keep with a little bit of balance. Spread the legs out a bit. And we're going to go side to side. So we're just toe tap to the ground. But sort of when we get here, we're keeping a bit of a tree posture. But just building some movement. Toe stays on the ground. And just hold that for a moment. Balance. Movement. Can put the arms up if we like. Getting a bit of upper body activation. This is nice. Let's just find a flow here for a moment. And just be fully present. The Buddhists talk about all life as being suffering. That suffering comes from desire or preferences, as Michael Singer would say. So our mindset, we get to choose the things that we like. So why not love physical activity? Love winter. Love the person cutting you off in traffic. It's up to us. Whew. Okay, shake that out. Not bad. It's kind of different. Shake, shake, shake. And I'm just going to move. I'm going to go to the side. Balance. Bring the leg up. Arms out. Just hold it. Maybe we move like a bit of a dancer here. You can come on the tippy toe if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more. That leg up as high as you can. Just a little bit more mobility. Ooh, one more. Brilliant. Out with the legs. Arms out. And let's just twist a bit. You can bend your knees. Just find a nice flow. Hopefully this feels really nice. A great stretch in the spine. And come on up. Last thing for today. Last thing for this session. You're going to be physically active all day. I know it. Taking the stairs. Stretching by a park bench. Everything that you can do to find just little energy snacks. So, arms up. Fall forward. Hands to the floor if you can. And then hands to your shins and flat back and stretch it out. Fall forward and then rise up. Hands to prayer. And let's go one more time. Arms up, fall forward. Flat back, hands to shins. Fall forward and rise up again. Shake it out. Beautiful. A little modified sun salutations. We're going to do a whole bunch of that coming up. It just gives us a little snapshot. Now just absorb. Let's just take 20 seconds right now just to be here and just notice the sensations of your body. One really conscious deep breath. And exhale. Go have the most brilliant day. Be physically active and let that activity turn into some source of kindness for somebody else. Let's be the change we want to see in the world. See you tomorrow.